Hi, son. I'm the Northman, and welcome to my channel where I help you to stay up to date with the latest crypto, NFT, and financial news. For the record, you are getting this news from my perspective as an historian, a former banker, and an investor who has been in the crypto market since late 2017. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon so that you're the first to be notified when there's a new video to be released. And with all of this out of the way, let's get into today's video. There's an article from Blockworks, and it says, how did Ether price predictions fare after Chapella upgrade? Validator withdrawal limits, the ability for stakers to hedge out exposure, and general interest has proved to be the mostly accurate in the short-term price predictions for Ether. Ethereum's Chapella upgrade is now just over a week old, with early network figures offering some insights into the current performance and health of the ecosystem. Analysts who predicted Chapella would not greatly impact pricing have been proven mostly right, though some market participants turn out to be incredibly wrong. The network has either partially or completely distributed more than 1.3 million ETH, or $2.52 billion, a significant jump from the last week's 617 million data shows. After these withdrawals, roughly two-thirds comprise rewards that were accumulated from past validator duties, research firm K33 said in a recent analysis. Those rewards were automatically distributed for validators fully withdrawing. There is an exit queue that limits the rate of withdrawal, that ensures the proof-of-stake network remains secure even in times of high demand to leave. Matt Fleabach, an analyst for Blockworks Research, said just before Chapella went live, he expected there to be minimal impact on price from the 34 billion in total staked ETH becoming somewhat more liquid. The analyst pointed to a plethora of related derivatives available that could allow ETH stakers to edge out their exposure prior to the unlock. Katie Talati, director of research at crypto-focused asset manager Acra, also told Blockworks at the time due to the validator withdrawal queue limits, she anticipated a minimal impact on sell-side pressure. That coincided with statements from Rick Falk-Valles, CEO of research platform Arcana. Assuming the maximum outflow of validators occurs, Falk-Valles estimates that it would take more than 2 years for the number of validators to decrease from the current 536,000 to 100,000. That's not a given. However, more validators can join the network as well. Over the past 7 days, there's been a net increase in the number of validators by about 1,800 or 18,000. I digress. The staking yield increases when more validators leave, which should have the effect of establishing an equilibrium. The initial impact on price was positive, with Ether briefly pushed to new heights above 2,100, if you remember that. I do. A level not seen in almost a year on April 16th, so about a week ago. While the market correction threatens to undo most of this month's run-up, predictions of short-term volatility have proved to be mostly correct. Some traders admitted defeat on their bearish predictions for the impact of the upgrade, such as popular Twitter pundit Kamikaze was now flipped bullish just days before. The pseudonymous self-proclaimed analyst has predicted a death spiral for the asset. Yeah, and that's his tweet there, Kamikaze. You can follow him more on Twitter or not, up to you. Famicas has for some time been locked in an ongoing feud with North Rock Digital Hall Press over ETH's directional bias in both the short and long term. Ahead of the upgrade, press predicted in late March that ETH's price relative to Bitcoin would reach roughly 0.0 ETH to Bitcoin. That came incredibly close, reaching a maximum of 0.07 ETH to Bitcoin 5 days after the upgrade went live. ETH to Bitcoin is a trading pair on crypto exchanges that represents the ratio of Ether per Bitcoin. Makes sense. It is used by traders and investors to speculate on the relative strength of both assets. Press post Chappelle target prediction may yet be vindicated, though for now Ether remains squarely in a long-term range established in May 2021, indicative of the high correlation between the two top crypto assets. And both Ether and especially Bitcoin is the two assets that, at this point, runs the market. So yeah, that was an interesting article, and I hope that you found it interesting as well. And yeah, that was the video. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And I will see you in the next one. Ha det bra!